Running a successful online business requires that you follow a framework that works effectively all the time. All right. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4-part framework for a successful and a profitable online business. Now, this is the simple framework that you will follow, even if you are an online business owner, a coach, a consultant, right? Whatever it is that you do online, if you do not follow these simple frameworks, it is going to be difficult for you to. In fact, the simple truth is that if you fail to follow this 4-part framework, you're setting yourself up for failure. Okay, you are setting yourself up for failure. Getting results with your online business requires some frameworks which you must follow. If you look at everyone in the online space who is getting results today, people who are getting massive results, it is because they follow this particular framework. Okay, now this is not about running ads, doing this and doing that. This is completely not, that's not a framework, right? That's a process, it's not a framework. This particular video is about a framework that you need to follow consistently over time, and you will begin to notice a great increase in the results that you get in your online business. So in this video, we shall look into the 4-part frameworks that will lead to your success as an online business owner, a coach, a consultant, or whatever it is that you do online. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like my video so that more people get to see this video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more of such content, you may consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. So without wasting time, let's get started, guys. Now, the framework 1 is that you must have an active lead generation system. That is the first framework. You must have an active lead generation system, okay? Because you need to find a system that constantly sends traffic to you, and this traffic, you need to qualify this traffic. You need to qualify your traffic, qualify your leads, right? You need quality traffic, because traffic is the lifeblood of your business. If your business is not getting traffic, it means that your business is not generating leads. And if your business is not generating leads, it simply means that your business is not making sales. And if your business is not making sales, you are not in business. You are not, it's a total waste of time, right? It's a catastrophe that you cannot afford. So you have, the first framework is that you must have an active lead generation system. Look at people in the affiliate marketing space, for instance. You see some of them say that they generate up to 100, 200, 300, 400 leads per day. They generate this amount of leads per day. And what does that tell you? You begin to see their results. Every week they post screenshots of their payout, of their pays, of their results, of the amounts they made. Those things are not magical. They are not spontaneous. These are the results of the hard work. These are the results of continuously generating leads. So as an online business owner, a coach, or a consultant, you must have an active lead generation system. So you must have, it could be a landing page, an opt-in page, a sales page, whatever it is, where you send traffic to. And then once this traffic gets to that page, you are able to extract the lead. That is, you get their name, their email address, and their phone number if you want a phone number to follow them up on WhatsApp, okay? But you must have a system in place so that when you get traffic, you should be able to harvest or harness the traffic very well, in the sense that you get something out of that traffic. If you send 1,000 traffic to your opt-in page, all of them will not opt in. But majority of them, a good number of them, if your offer is good, they are going to opt in. Those are your leads. For now, they are not customers. They are just leads. All right? Having a lead is the first step towards getting a customer. So you need to have a system, an active system that continuously generates leads for you, because you're in the business of generating leads and then converting these leads to customers. But the first step is to have an active system that generates leads. And this is where traffic comes into place. You must continuously send traffic to your landing page, your sales page, your squeeze page, your opt-in page, whatever you call it, you must continuously generate leads. The second framework is that you need to have an effective sales system that converts these leads. All right? Because the end goal is not just to get leads. The end goal is to make sales. The end goal is to convert these leads into paying customers. Now, until payment is involved, until there's an exchange of value, it's just like a disaster waiting to happen, right? Now, when they become customers, that is when the value has exchanged, because they said that money exchanges hands when value is involved. Money will exchange hands when value is involved. So you need to have an effective sales system that converts these leads. For instance, if you sell a digital product or a physical product, okay, one of the ways via which many people sell these things online is that if they set up ads on Facebook, from Facebook, they don't send people straight to their sales page. Okay? Because if you send people from Facebook to your sales page directly, chances are only small portion of them are going to buy. Many of them who see your sales page, who may want to buy, will end up not buying. So for you to be able to effectively make use of that traffic you are sending to your sales page, you have to send them first to an opt-in page where you qualify them. It is called lead qualification. You qualify your leads, all right? So when you send them from Facebook ads to your opt-in page, then the opt-in, you collect their information like name and email address or phone number, right? Now, when they click on submit, it will now take them to your sales page. So that if they eventually did not buy, you will also follow them up with email, right? Now you have your email sequence automated. So that the next day, or even that same day, a few minutes later, they've received a mail already prompting them that, hey, did you finally get this course? Did you buy these two products? In case you missed it out, here is an opportunity for you to get it again at so amount, and this is what you stand to gain when you buy it today, right? The next day, you send another email. You keep sending this email until they eventually purchase. Okay? So you need to have an effective sales system that converts your leads. You are not always going to be there. You might be sleeping, you might be traveling the world, you might be somewhere having a good time with your family or friends. And then the sales system is busy converting these leads into customers. The end goal is to make sales. If you generate a lot of leads and you don't have a sales system, it becomes a disaster. You must have a lead generation system. And then from the lead generation, you move them into your sales system. And then the sales system has to be effective because it needs to convert these leads into paying customers. The third framework is that you need to have an effective follow-up system, just like I explained, right? Effective follow-up system. How do you follow up on these leads to ensure that they eventually become customers? How do you follow up on them? Do you want to use WhatsApp automated messages? Do you want to use WhatsApp broadcast? Do you want to use email like autoresponders, email blasts that you blast them email at intervals? You follow them up via mail, via phone call. If you're a consultant or a coach and you need to get people under you, that is, you want to consult for their businesses, you need to be able to get on the phone with them and have some discussion. So you schedule appointments with them, right? You follow up effectively. Another way via which people follow up is also by retargeting people who have engaged with your sales page or with your advert. If you set up adverts, right? You retarget them to let them know that, hey, I am still here. This product is still available for you. Because the thing is, it is not everyone that sees your sales system will purchase immediately. Some might be salary earners who will be waiting for the end of the month before they get money and then come and buy. So if you did not follow them up, by that end of the month, another person might take, other things are going to take their money, right? But because they are interested in what you are offering, that's why they even opted in to receive email from you in the first place. So you have to continuously follow them up. Effective follow-up. These things are not easy, but if you have decided that you want to run an online business and you want to be successful at it, you have to do it. These are the simple steps. You cannot avoid these things, right? If you want to be a successful online business owner, a coach, or a consultant, these are the things you must do. There are no two ways. You cannot avoid them. You cannot give them out to someone else to handle it for you. You must be able to do these things. You need to know these things, know how it works, so that you, when you see a system that works, you'll be able to identify it, right? So you must nurture your leads and follow up on them until they become customers. And when they become customers, it does not end there. You still follow them up to know how the product has been for them, where do you need help, where do you need improvement, and stuff like that. Do you get? So you must have an effective follow-up system that follows up your prospects until they become customers. And when they become customers, you follow them up to the next framework. Now, this is the framework of, that's the final framework, right? Have a repeat sales system. You are not in business as a one-hit driver. You don't just hit once and run. No, you need to have a system in place that you continuously sell to your customers. You sell more than once. All right? You need a system that keeps your customers coming back to you. You make them purchase from you continuously. Okay? You can use a front end, a lower price product to bring them in, and then they buy the mid-range products, they buy the higher end products, they keep purchasing from you, right? Now, before someone will purchase from you, they must have established a level of trust and likeness to you, to your product, or to your brand. Whether you are the one that promoted to them or someone referred them, the trust has been established. So it is easier for you to sell to these people over and over. Okay? So it is foolishness for you to just sell once and ignore. You need to have a repeat sales system. If this person buys these products from you today, chances are they may buy other products from you. So it is left for you, it is up to you to introduce other products to them. All right? Or if they bought this from you, you can bring them in as you can become a coach to them, you can become a consultant for their business. The thing is, you just have to keep getting paid as far as you keep providing value for them, as far as you keep providing solutions for them, you keep getting paid by these customers. Okay? So the first framework is that what you have an active lead generation system. The second framework is that you have an active sales system that converts these leads into customers. And if some of them are not customers yet, the third framework is that you have an active follow-up system that converts the prospects into customers. And then the fourth framework is that you have a repeat sales system that makes these people to purchase from you continuously. It could be that you offer them a wider range of products, or you move them down your funnel into, they bought a product, then tomorrow you're now their coach, the next day you're now a consultant to their businesses, and it keeps going like that, right? It's just like someone who has a boutique where you sell clothes, a fashion store. Someone buys a shoe today, tomorrow they might want to buy a shirt, and because you have been following up, they can decide to buy the shirt from you. And then when they need a belt, you sell a belt to them, right? When they need a set of jeans or a pack of jeans, you are there to supply the jeans to them. So they do not just buy a shoe and then that's the end of the business. No. If someone buys a shoe today, chances are the person will need a shirt tomorrow, a cap, an eyeglass, a wristwatch. So you are there to supply all of these things that they need continuously. Sometimes can sell them as a single offer, a big combo. Someone walks into your store to buy a shoe, and then you upsell a nice pack of white shirts, you upsell a nice pack of perfumes, a nice this and that to them, right? So it's not just like you're selling once, but you are making repeat sales. You have a repeat sales system that keeps people coming back to purchase from you. If you are able to achieve this, if you're able to do this, I promise you that you are going to be in for a lot of money in the online business space. But if you cannot do this, I am sorry, there's no shortcuts. There's success. You cannot achieve success. It may be harsh, but that's the reality. Okay. So follow these frameworks and I'll show you you'll get results. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I am here to answer your questions. I am here to clear your doubts. I am here to guide you properly. Also, ensure that you share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.